Hi, I'm Graham from JB. With Father's Day just around the corner, we've got all the top gifts for Dad at JB. Let's take a look at some of the biggest deals both in store and online. If Dad likes to rock out to some tunes, then check out the MARLEY No Bounds XL portable Bluetooth speaker. This little monster has a huge 16-hour battery life to keep the music going from sunrise to sunset. The IP67 rating makes it waterproof and dustproof. And it can even be used as a power bank to charge up your phone on the go. And for those times Dad prefers headphones over a speaker, you can't go past the Galaxy Buds Live. These fully wireless buds pack a huge punch while eliminating background noise with built-in active noise cancelling. And you can even use them to talk on the phone hands-free. For the fitness fanatic dads out there, take full control over your workouts with the GARMIN FENIX 6 Pro GPS sports watch. From performance metrics and pace checking technology to GPS topographical mapping and smart notifications, this is the ultimate watch for anyone looking to beat that personal best with first-class tech. If you want to burn a few hours on the weekend on a set of wheels, then take a look at the Segway 9-bot kick scooter F40A. With its 10-inch puncture-resistant tyres and a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour and extended riding range of up to 40 kilometers, this is a guaranteed fun ride. Plus, you can connect it to your smartphone to lock it and track where you've been. If you want to strap on a camera and record some of that e-scooter action, then the Insta360 One X2 has you covered. This tiny beast records footage in 5.7K resolution with a dual lens system that ensures you never miss any shot, regardless of which way the camera's facing. And you can get a perfectly stable video by locking the horizon with a tap of a button. To awaken the inner pilot and take your skills to the skies, take off with a 0x Swift foldable drone. With HD video recording and an included controller, you can fly with a 100-meter range. It even has a 360 mode so you can bust out some mad flips. For sparkling floors without having to lift a finger, the Eufy L70 Hybrid RoboVac is your best mate. It's packed with an iPath laser navigating system, sweeping and mopping, and a map to show you where it's cleaned. The best part is you can kick back and control it with your phone when you need to. And if you're still stuck for ideas, a JB gift card is a great option. You can use them in-store and online, and they never expire. JB has you covered with plenty of ways to shop, so to make sure you don't miss out on these top gifts for Dad, shop in-store, online, or over the phone. And don't forget to contact your local JB for more help.